Stuck.
Turn around.
What do you remember? What you say though?
Trick or treat.
Wait till the door's open.
Open the door.
Trick or treat.
Oh my goodness. Now what do you say?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.
Okay. Hey, here we go.
Why are we going to their house? We have to go to a...
Okay, go.
It's a happy scarecrow.
So just walk nicely, Megan.
I hope one... We have to say trick or treat one. So here, that's the word.
There you go, ring the doorbell, honey.
Okay, just wait.
No, it's coming.
No, just wait, Megan.
Hi, honey.
They're coming.
Okay. I don't know who it is anyway.
Here they come. Turn around. What do you say?
Hi. You're very nice.
What do you say, Megan?
Thank you. Happy Halloween.
Yay! Thank you.
Grandma, look what I got. I got 2 candies. I got 2 candies. Oh, love
Watch where you're going, honey.
Come on, go to the front door.
Who did that?
Oh, it's a sensor. Don't worry. Okay, let's go to the front door. Come on, my little white fairy.
Really is a pretty.
Yes, it is. Oh, there's somebody there. They're ready. Go to the front door.
There's a spider web.
Don't worry, Megan.
Decoration.
The decoration.
Oh.
Trick or treat.
Megan.
Oh, no, it's just done.
Megan, it's a really small dog.
Oh, come on. It's just a little doggy of it. Alex, come on.
He's got a house too, Mom. Here you go. In the house.
Come
Take
here.
what you want.
Alex.
What do you say, Megan? What do you say? Megan.
Halloween.
Halloween.
Thank you. Happy Halloween.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're working on your back?
Wait, Granddad.
Let Granddad talk.
Okay, honey. Let's cross the street because the
Okay.
those people aren't there.
Okay, let's cross the street.
Where's the doorbell?
Okay, turn around.
Trick or treat.
Okay, go up.
Okay, keep on going. All the way up.
Oh, that's a fancy looking pumpkin.
Yeah, that's really good carving.
Look, they carved it.
Yeah. Megan, no, stay right here. Don't worry, you'll be fine. Okay. What do you say?
Trick or treat. Thanks. You're welcome.
Okay, Megan, walk away now.
Thank you. I'm a fairy. Now it's not pretty. No, it's not there.
Look out.
Jody! Yeah! Hey! Megan, are you holding Granddad's hand?
No, I don't want to hold it.
Well, we're crossing the street, so you need to pick a hand, honey.
I'll be glad to hold it.
Go down the street.
Okay, this way, Megan, come towards me.
You're peanut butter.
I am peanut butter. And who's my jelly?
Mom, you're right.
That's right.
There's no decoration.
That's okay. Okay, just wait. They'll be here.
I don't know who will be here today.
Hi, Jody. Okay, what do you say, Megan?
Trick or treat.
Hi, Megan. Here you go.
Hi.
What do you say, Megan?
Thank you.
You look at him when you say
Happy
Megan.
Halloween.
Happy Halloween to you.
Very good.
That was straight up the bag.
How are you? Good. How are you?
Are you striking up the band?
Straight up the bag. Let's go to more houses.
Okay, so go to our left. No, this way, over here. Your other left. Okay.
Nobody home.
Just wait. They're here. They're home, Megan. Here comes.
Hello.
Trick or treat.
How many? Oh, are you a little princess?
No, fairy.
Oh, a fairy. Oh, I'm sorry. I don't know that. I don't know much about fairies. Is that your mother taking the picture?
Yeah.
Yeah,
She's
good.
a jelly.
Okay.
He the peanut butter and he had the head.
Oh, good.
My buckles are gone.
What is the candy?
This way. Back up.
Meg, back up, honey.
Okay, how many have a little? There you go.
Ooh, what do you say?
There you go. Come on.
Oh, no thanks. She,
How about
yeah.
the little one?
No, she doesn't. She just eats
Oh, there's
strange peas.
Okay, what do you say, Megan?
Thank
You're welcome.
There.
Trick or happy Halloween.
There you go. Oh, Megan, so don't go.
No,
Yeah,
Megan.
oh, careful. Just step down. There you go.
Hey, Megan, look at me.
I want to get some candy.
Yeah,
Nobody's home.
I think somebody's there.
there you go.
What do you say, Megan? Megan, wait. What do you say first? Now what do you say?
Thank you. Happy Halloween.
Bye.
No, no, no.
No. Okay, Megan, look. Look here.
Excuse me, I don't want to look.
Hello. How are you?
What do you say, Megan?
Good.
You say how?
Treat.
All right.
Yeah. What do you
You got
say?
What do you
What
say
do
now?
you say? Megan, what do you
Thank
say?
you.
There you go. Oh, no thanks. Not for
You
her.
want a little?
Oh, no. She's 9 months.
He's way too
Happy
small.
Halloween.
Happy Halloween.
Halloween.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, that's enough, honey. They'll hear you. Look at the door. Look at the door.
Hello, Mom.
Hello.
What do you say, Megan?
What do you say, honey?
There you go. There you are.
Now what do you say?
Thank you.
You're
Yeah.
welcome, lovely. Okay, have a good evening.
You say Happy Halloween?
I I will, yes, and you have a happy Halloween.
It's okay, Meg. Just wait, honey. It's okay.
Thank you.
Oh, let me see your basket. How pretty. How pretty that is.
You love your fish?
I know.
Yeah.
Bring a video.
Why are jelly?
Because you told me to be jelly.
And what am I?
You're peanut butter and she's jelly. She's a bitty jelly daddy. You're yummy peanut butter. I ate you guys. Sorry, Daddy.
Hi, Jody.
Sorry. Sorry.
Did Ziggy bark, Mom, or was he good?